And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello, YouTube. I don't know. I got 20% left on the battery, so I figured I'm not doing much tonight in the garage. My fingers are cold. I'm just like, man, I'm not into it. So I figured I'd just chat in front of the camera. And right now it's -1 out. I think we got about a foot of snow. Depends the side of the building. You probably have 10 feet of snow, and out in the parking lot there's probably 6 inches at my garage. I don't know if you can see the. But let's see. Why is this thing 10% remaining? Battery's dying even quicker. So yeah, we got a lot of snow here. The battery's going dead, and I probably should stop it. But yeah, I'm having fun doing videos overall. So far I've done about, I don't know how many videos, probably about 90 videos. They're all short ones. I'm gonna keep them short. I have a few little things, and I like to I was saying in another video, I want to make some boxes. I want to make myself a plasma cutting table, and I have a little cart for it over there to do it. I'm trying to finish up this Wilton vise. I'm waiting for a couple of things come in the mail. I ordered some more. I think I want to make some of these pins because I have a 1-inch, 3-foot long hardened steel rod. I have 2 rods, so I can cut them and make some table clamps. I want to be drilling some more holes in my table. I don't want the whole table full of holes. I just want a few around the edges because I don't do a lot of fabrication. But when I need to clamp, it's nice to have the holes in the table. What else? I have a few projects, and then this summer or in the spring I'll be doing some carpentry projects on the other side because my kitchen cabinets need doors. So I've been stockpiling pieces of wood and stuff. I got a planer sitting here under a pile of junk that I want to plane down some boards and make some stuff. So I got a few things for this channel to keep going. I'm always doing something crazy, like my snap-on hammer. I was going to return it, but it doesn't say snap-on anywhere, so I guess I can't return it. So it exploded when I used it. I also have to finish cleaning up my sheet metal roller. I got to order more sheet metal. My mother-in-law wants a table for a kitchen maid, which I'm excited to make because it's a challenge. Just if you don't challenge yourself in life, what the hell's the point of living? For me, and I speak for myself, I don't like sitting. I like watching a movie once in a while, but I'm not one of those people that likes to sit on the couch. Occasionally I do, but I go stir crazy. I have to be doing something. Plus, I have to make jaws for this vise. I have to figure out how to put the jaws on the vise. I have a few screws. I have a couple of air conditioners I'm going to demolish in the next couple of weeks, just on cameras for the fun of it. And that's pretty much it. That's some of the plans I have, and I'm going to fix the lighting in here. I'm actually ordering 6 lights on Amazon, the ones you light up the whole place like a Christmas tree. So, yeah, getting little things done. Most of the big things, like cleaning the shop up and all that stuff, is going to happen in the spring, because then I can put my car outside and move the mule outside and start moving things around, working on the wall. There's not enough space. It's like playing Jenga in here when it comes to trying to move stuff. I have a giant shelf on the wall I want to move, but there's about, I don't know, 800 pounds of steel and crap in the way. So, and then one of these days when I finish doing a few things, maybe I'll give a shop tour. But as far as I'm concerned, I'll give private shop tours. You can fly over here. You come look at my garage, and you can after that. But anyway, that's what you can see for now. It's all junk behind me. I got a big toolbox and whatever. So here you go, shop tour, so you can see them. It's over with. So anyway, you can see some of my tools, and yeah, and I got to learn how to use my milling machine a little better. So take care. Have a good night. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.